Good morning, and welcome to your 15-minute meditation designed to help you shape your day just the way you want it. Has life felt draining for you lately? Are you here today because you feel that your true self is getting lost while you try to meet everyone else's demands? The greatest danger in this is leading a life that doesn't feel like your own, because we never take the time to connect with our own values. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, we will practice some methods to consciously start each day with desired intention. First, make yourself completely comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Find a position where you feel truly comfortable and supported for the next few minutes. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. First, gently bring your attention to your breath. Notice how the air enters your nose, slightly cool, filling your body with fresh, new energy. And then feel the air as it flows out of your body, warm and soft, taking everything old, everything used up with it. Next, take 3 deep, conscious breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose and let it all out with a long, complete exhale through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in. Fill yourself with calm and confidence. And as you exhale, just let everything go. All the thoughts about the day ahead, the to-do lists, the expectations. Release them a little more with each breath. One last time, a very deep, conscious breath in, and a long, releasing exhale out. From now on, let your breath flow naturally, without any effort. And become aware. For the next 10 minutes, there is nothing to achieve, nothing to do, no obligations. Simply let my voice guide you. Now that you have fully arrived in your own presence, I invite you to find a moment of gratitude. Realize this: every new day is a gift, a new chance, a canvas yet to be painted. What are you grateful for in this very moment? Perhaps it is the warmth of your bed, this quiet moment before the day truly begins. Your healthy body breathing for you, your heart beating for you. It doesn't have to be anything grand. Find one small thing and inwardly just say, "Thank you." Feel how this feeling might bring a gentle smile to your face and warm your heart. From this feeling of gratitude and calm, let us now set an intention for your day. An intention is like a compass for your heart and mind. It gives your day a direction and a special quality. It helps you step out of autopilot and consciously create your day, rather than just reacting to it. So, ask yourself now, what feeling do I want to carry with me today? What do I need most today? What do I want to offer to the world? Perhaps it is calm. You want to maintain an oasis of serenity within you amidst the hustle and bustle. Perhaps it is clarity. You wish to be focused and make good decisions. Perhaps it is joy. You want to discover the beauty in the small things and move through the day with a light heart. Perhaps it is strength. You want to feel strong and capable of mastering your challenges. Or maybe it is love. You want to meet yourself and others with compassion and open arms. Take a moment and listen within. Which word, which feeling is calling to you? Trust the first quiet answer that arises from within. And when you have found your word, your quality for today, form a simple, positive sentence in the first person. For example, today I am full of calm and serenity. Today I act with clarity and focus. I open my heart to joy and ease. I am strong, courageous, and confident. Today, I meet myself and others with love. Choose the sentence that feels best for you. This is your intention, your personal guiding star for today. Now, repeat this affirmation silently to yourself 3 times. Say it slowly, clearly, and with feeling. Let the words be more than just words. Feel the truth and the power within them. Let them sink deep into your consciousness and anchor themselves there. And now, I invite you to bring this intention to life with all your senses. Imagine in your mind's eye how your day unfolds today, guided by this feeling, by your intention. See yourself getting up and looking in the mirror. You see a person who is filled with calm, clarity, joy, or strength. Imagine a very specific situation that awaits you today, perhaps an important conversation, a task at work, an encounter with your family. See yourself moving through this situation with your chosen inner attitude. If your intention is calm, see yourself remaining serene, even when things get hectic around you. You take a deep breath and stay centered within yourself. If your intention is joy, feel yourself laughing. Feel yourself enjoying the sun's rays on your skin, the taste of your coffee, or a kind word. Perhaps the quiet confidence in your own voice. Perhaps the laughter of people around you. Feel the relaxation in your shoulders, the energy in your body, the warmth in your heart. Feel right now what it is like to have lived through this day successfully and with fulfillment. Paint this picture as vividly and in as much detail as possible. Your brain hardly knows the difference between an intense visualization and reality. By feeling it now, you are programming your entire system for your desired intention. Now, bring your attention to your body. Direct your awareness specifically into your heart space, right in the center of your chest. Imagine planting your intention, this powerful feeling like a luminous seed right here in your heart. Take a deep breath in and imagine this seed beginning to glow. Breathe out and see this light spreading throughout your entire chest. With each further inhalation, this light becomes brighter and more radiant. And with each exhalation, it expands further. It flows into your shoulders, your arms, your belly. It rises into your head and flows down into your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. Every single cell of your body is flooded and nourished by this light, by the energy of your intention for today. Today, you are this light. You are this energy. You carry it within you all day long. Very slowly, it is now time to return fully to the here and now. Begin to bring gentle movements back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes a little. Circle your wrists and ankles. Make whatever movement feels right and good for you now. Once more, become aware of your surroundings, the sounds around you, the temperature of the air on your skin, the contact with the surface beneath you. And when you are ready, gently and in your own time, open your eyes. Look around as if you were seeing the world for the first time, with awake and clear eyes. Make a commitment to yourself to remember your intention again and again throughout the day. It is your anchor and your compass. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. It is the most valuable gift you can give. I wish you a wonderful, clear, and positive, energized day. Be good to yourself, and until next time,